Alright, hello everyone. This is Day Trading Futures with JD, and I'm JD. So today is day 2 of my evaluation. In case you didn't see in one of the other videos I posted on the strategy, automated strategy, I had to reset my account. I made a bad trade, and it was an emotional trade, and you hear a lot of new traders not really getting a hold of their emotions, and it's like we chase the chart instead of just sitting back and waiting for an entry to come in. So anyway, I messed up, and instead of going down to the $6,500 drawdown, I ended up going to like $5,500. Still had like 1,000 left. I didn't record it, but I just want to kind of tell you about it. So anyway, it was about $1,000 left down on my drawdown, and I ended up deciding it'd be easier if I just reset the account and start from zero, and to move forward without having to make up for that $5,500 drawdown, plus being at a lower balance. It'd almost be like the profit goal being close to 20,000 instead of being at 15. So I just went ahead and reset the account. Anyway, so this is day 2 of the evaluation. First day I made like $750. It was a low trade. I think I only had one trade, and I wasn't able to record that because I'm kind of working off of a virtual computer. And I'm working off of a virtual computer at work at my full-time job, and then I'm also trading on my days off, which are on my home computer, and it's just moving everything around. So I'm not able to record each day. But here's day 2. I'm on the 15-minute chart, and I do have my automated strategy set up. It's whenever the 5 WMA, 5-period WMA crosses above or below the 20 WMA period. And of course, if it's under the 200 EMA, I look for shorts, and if it's over the 200 EMA, I look for longs. So if you've been paying attention to the charts this week, it seems like we've been in a downtrend overall. And here I've had this chart. I wasn't able to make any trades. I don't trade before 8:30. Whenever I went back and did my back testing of my strategy, it seems like it's like if I entered a trade before 8:30, I was stopped out when I did my back test at around 8 or 8:30 in the morning. So I just decided to wait to 8:30, or after 8:30. Generally, I'll usually start looking at the charts around 9 a.m. Central Time. Give it a good 30 minutes to an hour. Let all the volatility kind of calm down. And of course, I do miss some big trades. At that time, I'm on the 15-minute chart. When you compare a 15-minute down to a 5-minute, there's going to be a lot less trading signals. This was recorded on November 11th, and as you see, I didn't have a trade signal one. After the 8:30 volatility, I didn't have another trade signal until here at about 1:56 p.m. Central Time. And I don't like trading after 2 o'clock. So I had to, with this trade here, I had to wait. I had to just took off my strategy, because if you notice, sorry for this, I keep getting this Windows feature error pop up. Anyway, if you notice here, on the chart, it looks like there's a strong line of support that's held right around the 46.45 area. 46.45 area. It looks like it keeps bouncing off, since like 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. It just wouldn't make it below that. A couple of candles, a couple of wicks, went down below the 46, 44 area, but I could tell that this was going to be a strong area of support. So I didn't want my automated strategy to kick in when this candle here, and there's 2 minutes and 28 seconds left of this candle, and I knew if this closed and it started my strategy, that I probably wouldn't have room to even get a 2-point profit, take profit. And of course, with my strategy, I've got it set up to make a 3-point take profit. And I think I had my strategy set to let's see, take profit was at 3 points, and I think I had 8 contracts or something. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and stop my strategy, and then I wanted to just try to squeeze out 1 point, right? So moving forward, and I wanted to get all this done before 2:30, because that's generally when it turns flat, and I just didn't want a chance getting caught in a position where I would end up losing money. So anyway, I probably will fast. Sorry about this. I had to take care of something with my full-time job here. Okay, so let me continue on a little bit. So here I go, changing. I do have a bracket ATM strategy here.
Order filled.
Where I just, I was just going to do a 3-point, and I'm playing around with just looking at different time periods. I'm not, with the 5-minute time period, it looked like it was catching another area of support right around a 46 area. But when you look down at the MACD still seemed like it was still getting good, strong momentum. When you look at the width between the green signal line and the MACD, or the red signal line and the green MACD line. So I thought I'd take a chance, So we're moving forward here. I opened a position. Of course, you always have a little retracement as soon as you always open a position, it seems. Or at least I do. So we're moving forward through the position. I keep playing with my stop a little bit because I don't want to be in this trade very long. And of course, with the Apex trader evaluation, it's like you almost have to, or you have to trade at least 10 days. So I wanted today to be that day to be a counted trading day. I didn't want it to be just a waste. So moving forward, I dropped my stop loss or my take profit to just 1 point, because I just want to basically, I'm either going to stop and lose a little, or take profit and win a little. And so I made it really tight. Moving forward through here, and like I said, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. And I started getting worried, whenever my when it retraces, starts going the opposite direction, up to like $1,300, and I'm like, oh crap, I'm gonna lose this. But stayed in it, and it kind of moves back in my direction a little bit. This is like the most stressful part, like when you're watching the chart and you're like, just move. But definitely like the set it and forget it mentality, especially after I had to reset my account. And moving forward a little bit more. And, of course, here at the MACD, it already went up. And then actually we're on the 15-minute. So on the 15-minute chart, it's looking like it's going to cross. Everything looks good, except I don't like to enter position, especially when the MACD is still showing in the green. but it looks like we are about to get across. So anyway, I stayed in it, and I'm just hoping that I get 1 point, even though there is a lot of support right here. So I'm just... Then watch this candle. It's going to like just blow right here. It's going to blow south. It's going to go in my direction. And like, even though it starts getting to... it starts getting closer and closer to the break-even point, and I'm like, I just want to get out of it. And I'm like, hold on, I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait. And it's like, I just need a half point. And then finally I get it, right? I feel so good. Now, it did end up going a little bit further south on the next candle. I think it ended up, I could have gotten 2 points out of it. But you know what? I'm happy with just 1 point. And like I said, I was trading, I think it was, oh, that's right, with my automated strategy, I had 8 points. But since I had traded to my ATM strategy, it was 12 contracts. So I said 8 points, but I meant 8 contracts. And so anyway, it was 12 contracts, 1 point, and $600. So now in the day 2 evaluation, I'm up about 1,300, and I'm happy. You know, it's going to take me a little bit longer, I think, especially since I'm putting this on my automated strategy. But I'm going to probably try day 3 on the 10-minute chart. I think I'll see more trading opportunities, and we'll see how the 10-minute goes. Because I just can't. I really don't want to just make 1 trade a day, because it's going to make me take greater risks, and I definitely don't want to do that. So greater risk with you know, higher contracts. So, but anyway, stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, please be sure and like it. It's a new channel, and I'm trying to grow it. And I'm not asking for anyone's money. I'm not going to set up a Patreon. I'm not going to set up these trading courses. You know, nothing like that. I want to prove my strategy, that it works, and the only way I'm going to prove it is if I pass this evaluation. So if you're interested in signing up for Apex funding, trader funding, click the link in the description, and you know, follow along with me. All right, thank you very much, and y'all have a good, green, profitable day.